Hi guys, in today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican Easter Bun, otherwise called Spice Bun. It is a must-have for Jamaicans around Easter time. Yeah, we would normally eat this with cheese or fish, fried fish. So these are most of my ingredients. Anything that you don't see there, guys, I will definitely show it to you. So this is my raisin that I have soaked in rum, and I have my mixed peel down the bottom here. I have my baking powder. I'm going to use the zest of this orange. I am using a Malta and a Jack and Stout, and as soon as I am doing the baking, I will call them one by one to you, right? And I'll definitely list it for you. So let's get started. Table kind of look a little messy as usual. I don't know, anytime I bake my table always messy. I don't know why. But when I'm through with you, you're surely going to know how to bake your Jamaican Easter bun. Alright, so make we get started now. Alright now guys, so I am going to prep my dry ingredients. So I'm gonna use 6.5 cups of flour. You can use baking flour or all-purpose flour. So to that I am adding one teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons baking powder. I will list everything in the description box, guys, because I want you to bake your Easter bun. Alrighty, so alright, so nothing egg. I just added some mixed spice and nothing egg to give it a great flavor. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and sieve this. So we're going to just nicely mix this in, and just to combine everything, we're going to just nicely mix it up to get everything combined. So now that we are through with our dry ingredients, now it's time to move on to the wet ingredients. Although you know guys, I think we should do the wet ingredients first, because, but anyways, no rule. So let's move on to the wet ingredients. So here I am using a bottle of Malta and a bottle of Jack and Stout. If you don't want to use alcohol, you can go ahead and just use a bottle of Malta. Then to that I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar. I'm using 2 eggs. I'm just going to beat. So most people place this over the stove so that it could nicely dissolve, but I'm just going to mix until everything is nicely dissolved and come together. Now to that I'm going to add 2 beaten eggs. Now to my beaten eggs I'm going to add some orange zest, and that is not only to cut the eggy smell, but to give the bun a nice flavor as well. Now to my wet ingredients I'm going to add some melted butter. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my beaten eggs. And I'm gonna mix. Alright, to my mixture I am adding some rose water. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some almond All of these are just for flavor, guys, to give the bun a nice flavor. Then I'm gonna go in with some vanilla essence, and I'm just going to mix, just to combine everything. And I'm also going to use some guava jam. To this, I'm going to add some guava jam. You can use any flavor. This gives the bun a nice flavor as well. And I'm just going to nicely mix just to combine everything. I'm also going to use some browning. If you have molasses, you can also use it just to give some color there, to give our bun a nice color. So I'm adding my browning. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to list everything for you. So that you can go ahead and bake your Easter bun and tell me how was it. Type in the comment box and let me know. This is smelling so great. Adding our dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and we're going to just mix until everything is combined. So we're adding it little. We're adding the dry ingredients little. As usual, we don't want to get any lumps, right? No lumps. Adding some more of our dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And I'm just going to just mix until everything is combined. Alrighty. So now that our ingredients is nicely come together, I already greased my baking pan, so I'm gonna go right over and pour this in. Alrighty. All that fruits and thing. So we are just going to pour. And guys, remember, you're baking this for your likings. So you can exclude what you want to exclude. We're going to leave some space in our baking pan for the cake to rise. So we're not going to carry it all the way up. So just about there. So guys, what I did, I add a few slices of the cherry on top of my bun. Along with that, I added some of the mixed peel just to give it that pretty look. Alright guys, go ahead and make your Easter bun. This is so soft, flavorful, and yummy. Hope you enjoy watching how to make your Easter bun. If you do, please click the like button. It will be greatly appreciated.